I always kind of laugh at all the dumb things that the state of Florida does. This is another great example of one of those situations. I was recently driving on the I-10 and I stopped at a rest stop, and I wanted to pick up some brochures from some of the local attractions because I had never really explored Jacksonville, and I was kind of curious to see if they had any, cool tourist attractions. Well, they don't have any brochures there, but man, wait till I get to the zinger on this one. Anyways, like when you're up north and passing through like Atlanta or Chattanooga, you'll see brochures for things like Six Flags Over Georgia or Lake Winnipesaukee Amusement Park, those type of things. But when you're passing through the rest stops here in Florida, they don't have any brochures like on the I-10. Instead, they have missing posters of all the people who disappeared on the highway you're traveling through. That's a great way to make a first impression with, visiting tourists, is putting up missing posters of people who have disappeared on the I-10 that you're currently driving on. That's a nice touch. It really is. And it must be why Florida is number one in the nation for tourism, because of this shrewd marketing of reminding people of all the people who've been kidnapped, murdered, or raped along the highways. Way to go, Florida.